I was just on the subway going to check out the Taste of Manila Festival, and from the window of the subway I saw Jollibee. So I decided I would go check it out, and then I found out opening soon. It's not open. When does this open?
I believe first week of September.
September. Can I film inside a little bit, just a little bit?
For how many minutes?
Just for a second.
For 1 second.
30 seconds.
Din, 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 din.
30 seconds. I walked all the way over
$7.
here from Wilson because I saw it when I was on the subway and I thought it was open. I'm like, oh no.
As I
Okay,
say,
1 second,
as I said, you can say
$7.25.
in the subway.
$7.25.
Can I film for
No,
just?
sir, you will not have a date, but probably.
Yeah,
and-
go ahead, take a record. Yeah,
What?
you want to record?
Little
Oh, you want
picture?
to record?
Yeah, just
Okay.
This kind of camera, that's cool.
little camera. Well, there's not much done in here yet, eh?
No, that's why it's going to be late for opening.
Okay, so September. It's opening.
Probably in the first week of September is the schedule that we have, but we don't know the date
Before-
precisely. Like we don't have a date.
How
Like
much you pay for this case? Wireless?
$700. No, it's not. It comes with a little pocket.
Little,
yeah, but
stick.
now I don't use the little screen.
oh, very nice. You can put in the helmet.
Yeah, you can put it in the helmet.
Yeah.
Works good. It's easy to carry around. Anyways,
Yeah.
thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you.